And now I will show you the application of the light handle cover over the light handle. First step, as we said, you flatten the flange, you straighten up the grip in the position of application, you hold the flange of the cover with the finger in a rounded shape, and you apply the cover straight up as far as it goes. That's the first step. Then you bring the light down, and while you bring the light down, with a twist motion, you bring the cover again. You bring it again down and up. One more time, and you can see that the cover is almost fully installed over the grip. There is about a 1/4 inch gap, which will always be there. To secure the flange of the cover over the flange of the handle, with your finger and your thumb, you just slide it over the flange to create vacuum forces to hold the flange of the cover over the red flange of the handle. The last step is that with the palm of your hand, you basically evacuate the air out of the cover to create vacuum forces to hold the cover securely in place during the procedure. We call it burping the cover. Now the cover is totally secured over the handle, and the surgeon can manipulate it throughout the surgical procedure without any problems of the cover falling off. If it was very easy to apply the cover over the handle, it would be very easy for it to come off. So easy on, easy off, slight pressure on is going to create a lot of pressure for us because of our additional safety features of the flange vacuum and the grip vacuum. We call it the dual vacuum connection of the cover over the light. In case of potential contamination during the surgery, when the surgeon accidentally bumps his head over the cover, you can go and take a single pack, open it up, straighten it out, and put a second cover over the first one with an upward twist motion as far as it goes, 2 or 3 times, and make sure that you evacuate the air with the palm of your hand as I'm doing now. You heard the little snap of the air escaping. It's very tight now, and you do not need to remove the first cover. You continue with the rest of the procedure until it's all done. Now you can see that this is tight. At the end of the procedure, remember, as we discussed before, this part of the cover becomes contaminated with bloodborne pathogens. The gloves at the end of the procedure, this is by AORN standards and by AORN statistics, have 50% chance of pinholes. Make sure you don't remove it by touching this area. Actually, you come to the clean area, as I'm demonstrating here, and like a sock, the blood is being contained inside the light handle cover, and you throw that right into the red bag. You do it one at a time. The second one, again, remove from the flange, peel down like a sock, touch only the clean area with your potential pinhole glove, and throw it into the red bag. In some lights, where the mechanism is very, very easily moved, it is advantageous to go with the following technique. Slide it up, twist the light to its side, apply the cover on the side, burp it, bring it to its shape, and you're ready to go. This is up to your preference. You can try one or the other and see with whichever light the best technique works. An upper technique or a sideways technique, and you can position the cover more easily with one of these 2 techniques depending on the light mechanism that you have in surgery. We now featured the best and the most advanced light handle cover in the world. It has all the features to eliminate all the deficiencies in prior generations of rigid light handles or light handle covers. It is so safe that we named it Safety Grip, as we have eliminated any potential contamination and any potential of bloodborne pathogens reaching the practitioner. Thank you very much.